Hey guys, so today we're making jerk mushroom and pumpkin curry. First, heat the oil in a large skillet, then add the onion, curry powder and pumpkin. Here's a pro tip.
Using grease coconut oil instead of vegetable oil is a great way to add flavor and nutrition to your dish.
Next, cook over medium heat for 8 minutes until the pumpkin starts to soften. Then, add the mushrooms and jerk seasoning. Then cook for a few more minutes until mushrooms just start to soften. Here's another pro tip.
Be sure to thoroughly wash your mushrooms. Use salt water if you can.
Next, add the water and coconut milk. Bring to a boil and cook for about 10 minutes or until the pumpkin is tender and the sauce has thickened. Then stir through the tomatoes, bell pepper and red onion. Then remove from heat and cover for 5 minutes before serving.